The Ministry of Foreign Affairs responding to the latest press release issued by the Office of the High Commissioner for Human Rights this week, who expressed concern about the recent deportation of 112 Haitian migrants back to their homeland, which included Haitians from Ohchr who were devastated by Hurricane Dorian in September. The Geneva, Switzerland-based office called on the government to refrain from deporting individuals who lack documentation without the individual assessments and due process guarantees to which they are entitled under international law. The Foreign Affairs statement confirmed that government relaxed its immigration, deportation, and repatriation policies and procedures pre, during, and post-Hurricane Dorian to ensure the safety, security, and well-being of all persons, irrespective of nationality within its borders. During the search and rescue phase of the humanitarian efforts, Foreign Affairs Ministry officials say all displaced persons were carefully accommodated in safe abode, whether with family members or an authorized shelter, irrespective of their immigration status. The individuals were accommodated at international standards, including 3 daily hot meals, bottled drinking water, clothing, and medical attention by government board certified physicians. The statement continued that once the urgent search and rescue phase had passed and normalcy returned to the country, government made the painstaking, conscientious, but necessary decision to resume the implementation of its immigration laws. Foreign Affairs officials maintained that all illegal migrants, irrespective of their origin, removed from the Bahamas were done so in compliance with the statute laws of the Bahamas, in accordance with the Immigration Act, consistent with the international standards of the rule of law, and in compliance with international human rights norms and standards. The government assures that there was adherence to all due process and the requisite procedures for proper documentation were followed to determine every individual's constitutional right to reside lawfully in the country. Persons found wanting and in violation of the Immigration Act were lawfully removed. Government assures the international community that the Bahamas is a country that adheres strictly to the rule of law, both locally and internationally, especially with respect to the rights of every man, woman, and child in its jurisdiction. The Foreign Affairs statement concluded that any person entitled to be in the Bahamas legally will be accorded every fundamental right under its statute laws, and any person in violation of the Immigration Act will be dealt with in accordance with the statute laws of the Bahamas.